Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of October. Now I have base and premium this month. I would like to say please excuse my makeup. It's not me, it's the actual products today. So we're definitely going to be getting into that, but just excuse the makeup, the eye makeup, the face makeup. It was kind of a hot mess today, but let's get right into the boxes. All right, I'm going to start off with my base box, and this month's theme, since it's kind of like Halloween, October, it's the candy shop theme with some like special effects on this side, a bunch of different candies. I have version number 72. Just when I think BoxyCharm can't give me a higher number, they come back and they give me a higher number. So 72. Let's start off with this Frank Body Glow Mask, and it's caffeinated. I originally thought this was for the body because it's called Frank Body. I don't know the brand, but it says it's a moisturizing face mask. It's natural, ultra hydrating, works to reduce puffiness, gives skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It says it's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's natural, cruelty-free, and only takes 5 minutes to work. It says it retails for $21.95. It's a mask. I just don't know the brand, so I will definitely give it a try. I didn't open it because I want to keep it sealed until I'm going to start using it, but I can smell the coffee. So I like coffee, and if it's coffee scented, I don't mind it. Moving on to this other product. I don't know the brand either, and this is from Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty, and this is a matte balancing moisturizer. It has acai berry and borago, whatever. And this says it retails for $69. This intrigues me, so I will be trying it out. I'm excited for it. Even though I don't know the brand, I'm not going to be like, yeah, I'm not going to use it because I don't know the brand. I am actually going to use it because it's a matte balancing product. Oh, and then you have to like pop it with the little thing. So I will definitely give this a try. It interests me, so I'm excited. Then my choice item was the Farsali Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum, which I was excited for this one. I was actually going to buy this one on my own from Sephora, and then when I saw it was coming to BoxyCharm, I was like, yes, I'm keeping this box. Just for this alone, this box was worth it for me because this is something I did want to try out, and I was already going to buy. It retails for $24, and it says it's a serum that helps replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. I'm excited. It's going to hydrate and replenish the skin, and my skin has been doing really good. My eyebrows have been growing, and your girl is letting her eyebrows grow. I don't know how long this is going to last, but I'm trying. I'm really trying, and I'm really liking the outcome. So fingers crossed I don't like take them off in a snap, because that's usually how it goes. Next is from the brand Pretty Vulgar, which we have received a few things from them here and there. Oh, I have an itch. And I got the Nesting Bee Face. When I opened my box and I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, and I had seen that there was like a neutral palette, so I thought it was this one, like a cool tone. I was like, oh, I didn't want that palette. And then I opened it and I was like, oh my gosh, it's a face palette, all dramatic. I love face palettes. I am so happy to receive them. I have gotten my bronzer palette from them, from BoxyCharm. I got another blush palette. I really am into like bronzer, blush, highlighter palettes. I just feel like it's so convenient to have everything in one palette. And here we have bronzer, blush, highlighters. I combined both of the colors because this one is just a little too light for my makeup today. It was like too white, so I combined it with this one and it was perfect. This is for like, this is really matte. I would probably use this if I'm not gonna cream contour because this is very soft and nice on the skin. This one I used it just to set my cream contour, so this one I would use it on the days when I just want to use powder, and I would lightly use it because they are very pigmented. This palette says it retails for $32. $3, and I do know that this is a newer palette from Pretty Vulgar, so I was happy to receive that. And then we have this Ace Beauty Dry Lip Liner Duo. So I thought the packaging on this was super cute. This is also new for them, and it is a duo, so I was excited for that. I love when they do duos because usually when they just send one random pencil, it's like, okay, thanks. This is Be Peachy, and the red one is so gorgeous. This little swatch color right here is totally off from what the actual color is. This looks like a gold like eyeliner, but it is really like a peachy nude lip liner. It's a little deeper, but I really like it. I actually am wearing that under the gloss, and then we have the red one, which this will come in perfect now that we're arriving in those months of like the red lips, the deep berry matte lips. I'm so excited for those. You guys know those are my favorite. So overall, I would give this box an A. I like it. Overall, it's good. I'm happy. I'm going to use everything. Everything is staying here with me because you guys know sometimes I tell you, okay, I'll give this to my mom. She'll benefit from it more than I will. So we have an A for this base box. Now let's move into the premium box, which we might not have the same grading, but it's okay. We have a bigger box. Same theme. This version for the premium box, I was actually surprised. I got number 3. Number 3. And now I wish I would have gotten like a further number. Maybe the box would have been better. Let's start off with the first thing I applied on my face that I did not like, and this is just the actual product. It doesn't work for my skin. I have oily skin still right now because it's hot. It's still hot here, even though we're in fall already, it's hot. And this is a Kosas Tinted Face Oil. Now, I got this because I went in late to choose my product for the month of October, so I went to make my choice super late. I think it was almost like it was the second day because it's only open for 2 days. It was the second day in the afternoon, and that's usually when the junk is left, and this was all that was left. So this choice was all from this brand, which was the first time they did choice with all the products from the same brand, and they had a duo cream blush, a duo powder blush, and this. And I really wanted the powder blush, and it was all out. So the cream ones were out too. I was like, oh, let me just try cream blushes. They were out. This was all that was left. And I got the shade 3.5. I at least got to choose my shade. I feel like the shade was pretty good, but I do not like this at all. Like, my skin from far away might look nice, but up close, guys, this looks horrible. Horrible. It has settled in every single fine line, every pore, everything on my skin, and it just looks ugly. And I would not recommend you apply this with a wet sponge or a damp sponge because water and oil just do not mix. And the moment I was blending this out with the sponge, it was getting super patchy and splotchy on the skin, and I was like, okay, let me go back to the brush so it could at least look decent. But today's makeup is just overall a hot mess. And it started with this. This says it retails for $42. It's an oil foundation, tinted face oil foundation. It does have a slight amount of coverage. I will say that when I did it with this brush, it did look like I was getting coverage. So I did like that, but it literally wears off as the days going by. And if you have oily skin, that process is sped up because it just starts seeping and no, this is not the business. Next, we also have another product from Kosas, which I kind of didn't like that they did that. I was like, oh, they sent like a free sample. No, this is not a sample. It was part of one of my products. And this is the Kosas Sport Lip Fuel, and it's a ultra hydrating hyaluronic lip balm, which is cute. This is how it came in this little packaging. You rip it to get the product out, and it says right here, not for resale, but it's basically a lip balm. I actually did like this. but I have so many of the Laneige lip balms and my Milani lip balms that I know my girlfriend will like this, so I will pass it on to her. This is not a dud. This is actually a really good product. I put it on after I did my face makeup so that I could do the rest of like my eyes and all of that, and it kept my lips hydrated and moisturized really, really nicely. So I actually did like this. It was $18. It just seems so random to have that as part of a product. Next, we have this, which I received a few months back, and I think I received this the same exact color, but at this point, it's not even worth it for me to email them because they always give me the runaround. They always give me like, fill out the questionnaire, and if you tell them you filled out the questionnaire, they tell you like, oh, the questionnaire, we still like don't pay attention to it really good to like give you the products that you want. So I'm just over them, you know, their customer service is always annoying. But I got this Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Lip Color. I actually had purchased a liquid lipstick and I got another one in BoxyCharm back in the day. This is a color Pink Pucker. I think I got the same exact color. And this retails for $21. Actually a good formula. It is a bit drying more than normal, but I do like it. It was one that I would wear. And then moving on from that, we got this product from the brand Go-To Skincare, which I've never heard of. And it is pricey though, $35. And this is exfoliating swipies, foolproof exfoliating pads. And when I saw the price, I was like, okay, I need to go check out this brand because that's kind of pricey. It smells like grapefruit. Like immediately it's like super strong grapefruit scent. I mean, I guess I could try them out. It doesn't hurt. I mean, unless my skin doesn't like it, but I will try it out and see. Oh, this has AHA, so I have to be careful not to use my niacinamide moisturizer. But yeah, I will try this out and I will let you know. And then we have from Murad, which is another really popular skincare brand. This one I actually do know of. I think I've tried one thing from them. I don't remember what it was, but this is the Hydrating Toner. So I'm excited for this, and it's a spray. It instantly balances skin natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. I will definitely be using this. I actually am excited for that one. And then I think lastly, we have the dud. So this is a palette that I got in this box, and it's from Illuminati, and it's in collaboration with Isabel Bedoya. I don't really know who she is. I know she's like an influencer. I don't follow her though, but I was like, okay, I'm excited for the palette. It looks super cute, and I had seen like pictures of it and of the colors, and when I tell you that the way you guys are seeing it in camera, how the colors look, it's totally different than how they look in person. They're much more dull. The colors aren't as vibrant as they look on camera. They're much more dull. Do you guys see this eyeshadow and you guys see that color, how it looks on camera? Yeah, totally different. So this says it retails for $48. If I would have paid $48 for this palette, I would have bought it myself and I would have tried it out. I would have returned it and wanted my money back. I did not like this palette. I don't like it. I am so surprised because there's been, I mean, I can barely even remember a time where I haven't liked a palette. And I haven't liked the formula, and I haven't tried it and made it work. This is just chalky, plain out chalky, to the point where like if you dig your brush into it, the shadows start cracking. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but like all the shadows I use and I tried, they started getting all scratched. You guys see that purple? How it looks like I'm starting to dig into it, and the white, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. This color is so beautiful in the pan, and it's decent on the finger, but once you put it on the eyes, like, yeah, that little sparkle's pretty, but I expected more from it. Like, I expected to have more pigment. Even with the brush, like, if I put it in with the brush, they just crumble on the shimmery shades. I'm so disappointed in this palette, and it's like, I don't like to say that a lot because for the most part, I feel like I can make eyeshadows work. I've tried like Dollar Tree eyeshadows, the LA Girl ones, and I can make them work. I've tried pretty affordable eyeshadows, the Wet n Wild little palettes that a lot of people don't like, but a lot of people love. I love them. Even though I didn't like, what's the palette? Modern Renaissance, I used it for a long time and I made it work, even though like that had fallout galore. This, I wouldn't say has like, it's, how do you explain it? It crumbles once you put your brush into it, because you have to kind of like go like this, actually put some work into it to get color. And I just, no, I don't like this palette. I'm sorry. I had tried a different look with this and I had to take it off because it just looks so ugly. And I was like, it's times like this when I try a palette that makes me feel like I don't know how to do eyeshadow, that I'm like, okay, is it me or is it the palette? But I mean, I don't do the greatest eyeshadow or like the best, but I know my way around eyeshadows. This is just a palette I don't like. This is nothing against the influencer, the brand. It just didn't work out for me. Again, this is my experience with the palette. If you try it out and it works out for you, amazing. I am happy for you. This is just my experience with the palette. And I know people don't like when you're honest and you don't like something that they like, but I'm always honest with you guys, regardless of getting the product sent for free, buying the product. Like, I'm just, all I have is my honesty for you guys, you know? Like, I just didn't like the palette. And I love the colors. I actually was so excited. I wanted to do like a fall look with these eyeshadows. Like, when transition shades don't look good on the eyes, that's when I'm like, okay, it's not me. Like, transition shades, it's not that hard to get those, you know, and make those really good. So I even tried the blue, and this is the perfect example when I tell you guys that colors that are pigmented on the hand might not be pigmented on the eyes, because look at that purple, how pigmented it looks. And look at my eyes. I applied so much product for it to look pigmented, and that's the best I could get. Look, even on my hand, it looks so much prettier than what I have on my eyes. And that's a prime example of, make sure you try eyeshadows on your eyes, because that's where it really matters. You're not going to wear the eyeshadows on your arm, on your hand. You're going to wear it on your eyes. So that's all I'm going to say about that palette. It just didn't work out for me. And that's that. That and this product were the dud, and I feel like that was the base of this makeup today, and it was not the best. For the most part, I mean, it was just 2 products from this box. The rest I am going to use. This I will probably give it to my aunt or mom, whoever wants this color, and this I'll give to my girlfriend. When I can give products away to my family and my girlfriend, I don't mind. It's not like a loss for me because I do have a lot of products, but I enjoy getting these boxes. So just so you guys know, because I know sometimes people are like, why do you keep getting the box if you don't like the products? I mean, it's not my fault. Like this product, for example, these 2 products, they just didn't work out for my skin. If they would have worked out, it would have been a whole different story, you know? I like them. I actually just read that when you're someone was wearing a evil eye bracelet and it like ripped or broke off, and people were like commenting, I don't know if it was on TikTok or Instagram, and they said that when that happens, people believe that it's cuando alguien te hizo ojo. So my earring just popped off. Alguien me hizo ojo. It's probably the mosquitoes in here. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me in the comments down below the versions you got. Again, I got number 3 for my premium and 72 for my base. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your support, and like always, I will see you all in my next video.